Hi, we are the Swansons. I'm Melissa, this is Chuck, Annika, and Grenville. I'll tell you a bit about ourselves. We have deep roots in farming. Chuck is the fourth generation to run Swanson's ranch. When it came time for us to take over, we wanted to make sure we were using practices that would maintain, if not improve, the health of our land. Chuck works full-time on the ranch, and I retired from being a registered nurse a few years ago to join him on the ranch. I also homeschool our children. I feel really blessed to have this rural lifestyle and hope we can continue to do this for generations to come. So in searching for ways to do that, we came to Takota. About 2 years ago, we went on a tour of his farm. We were inspired by how he was raising these healthy, nutritious animals in a way that benefited the land. We started to look more into permaculture and really connected with what we were learning. Since then, we have been consulting with Takota to establish sustainable water practices on our ranch. We have been building dams and plan to put in some swales. We were excited when he came out with his book and have been using it to come up with a concrete permaculture plan for the ranch. We started our organic grass-fed herd a while back. We had wintered organic grass-fed beef for customers in the past, but this was the first time doing this with our own animals. We use rotational grazing in the summer and feed alfalfa silage during the cold months. All of the animals have been really healthy and we are happy with their growth. We are excited to be able to offer beef that has all the nutritional benefits of being grass-fed. We discovered the Weston A. Price diet a few years back and are happy to include the organ meats in our beef packages. Our beef will be available in January, and we would love for you to check out our website, swansonsranch.com, to learn more about us, and maybe even buy some great beef.